individuals showing DNA polymorphism, that is differences at the molecular level, may not have much variation in their phenotype. That is what I told you. Two identical twins, they are all identical mirror images, but though there are no differences in their phenotype, genotypically there is differences. Why? Because the differences are present in non-coding part and characters are because of the coding part. More differences at the molecular level, DNA polymorphism, is occurring in the non-coding part. In coding part, there will be no much difference. That's why the two individuals are maybe looking alike. They are all twins. But still, at their molecular level, in the non-coding part, there will be differences. Okay. So, because the polymorphic DNA arises as a result of mutation in the repetitive DNA, which is not expressed. That satellite DNA is not coding for any protein. So, it is not available for natural selection and elimination. So, it is transmitted from generation to generation for millions and millions of years. So, these variations are all accumulated in the non-coding part for generations. That is why you are all having more polymorphism, more differences in the non-coding part. Suppose a mutation occur in the coding part, that will be bringing about a change in the character, and whenever a gene mutation occur, the character it control will be mutated, and these mutations are deleterious, harmful to the processor, and natural selection will eliminate. So, for example, within 10 to 11 generations, that character will be completely eliminated from the population. So, mutation in the expressing part will be eliminated and will not be retained for longer time, whereas mutations or changes in the DNA in the non-coding part is not bringing about any change in the character, and so it is not at all eliminated. So it is remaining without any elimination in the non-coding part and is transmitted from generation to generation for thousands and thousands of generations. So polymorphic DNA arises as a result of polymorphic DNA means difference in the DNA is more in that part because of mutations in the repetitive DNA. What is that repetitive DNA? That repetitive DNA is mainly present in the non-coding part, which is not expressed. Not expressed means it is not at all responsible for any character. The gene is not expressed as a character. It is not a exon. It is only a intron. Okay.